This technique is a universal counter, and it relies on the fact that once an avatar ability has been activated, all impacts are nulled and both bays are rearranged, even if you nullify it at the very last second. You can nullify automated collisions, both yours and your opponent's. You can also nullify type abilities, that's stamina type, attack type, defense type, though nullifying an active defense shield depends on the duration of your avatar ability, and you can nullify plays by your opponent. It is a fundamental part of many advanced techniques and can be used in advanced plays. Just like in this clip where I use a stamina type bay but I'm up against a very fast attack type bay. So I bait my opponent into attacking, then I nullify the attack so I can recover my stamina when I know my opponent's bay can't catch up to mine. This is a very simple yet effective technique. More details in the description below. Please share this video with your friends so you can all be better digital bladers, and hit that red subscribe button for more techniques and strategies. Goodbye and keep blading. From a technical blader.